The 2014 Volkswagen Scirocco by ABT Sportsline. There's a reason why ABT Sportsline is one of our favorite auto tuners in the world. The German company knows how to make programs that improve the cars they work on without going overboard with the modifications. It takes a specific set of skills to do that, and ABT has it down pat. Its new program for the Volkswagen Scirocco is living proof of that. The two-fold modification is made up of an extensive aero kit and an impressive performance bump that breathes new life to the Scirocco. That's not an easy thing to pull off, and yet ABT Sportsline does with the ease of a tuner that knows what it's doing. Other tuners may promise the same things and yet fail to live up to all the expectations they set. That's never been the case with ABT Sportsline. Over the years, it's produced one impressive program after another. And as long as it can build kits like this for the Volkswagen Scirocco, there's no reason for us to start doubting their tuning capabilities. Not that we ever did, because if we haven't said it enough, we'll say it again. We're big fans of ABT Sportsline and our fandom has never wavered. Click past the jump to read more about Volkswagen Scirocco by ABT Sportsline. Volkswagen Scirocco by ABT Sportsline in detail. Even the rear section of the Scirocco was given the full ABT treatment. A dynamic front skirt livens up the front end of the sports hatch, while new side skirts gives it a cosmetic and aerodynamic balance, conveying an appearance of sportiness. Even the rear section of the Scirocco was given the full ABT treatment. The carbon look rear panel is a particularly nice aesthetic touch, whereas the aggressive rear skirt makes room for a massive 4-pipe rear muffler. Real power is what defines an ABT Sportsline program. Real power is what defines an ABT Sportsline program. In this case, the German tuner put the work to ensure that the Scirocco has pure ABT blood running through its veins. The company's new ABT Power new generation system drives up the Scirocco's horsepower output to as high as 310 ponies from the standard 207 horsepower output of the 2.0 TSI engine. Even the 1.4 TSI and the 2.0 TDI engine variants also have their own upgrades, allowing for improvements to 210 horsepower and 195 horsepower, respectively. Those are impressive bumps from the 157 horsepower and 136 horsepower output numbers of both engines. A new set of wheels are proverbial cherry on top of ABT Sportsline's new program for the Scirocco. In this case, the company has 20-inch gunmetal ABT Doctor wheels to offer to customers, with other colors and sizes also available. Volkswagen Scirocco.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.